Want to join Breezer Western Discord? Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily join it. So the very first thing you wanna do is move into your application Discord. Once you're inside Discord, make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will be able to see the plus icon. You have to click on it. And then click on Join a Server. Now in this section, you have to paste this thing. You can simply copy and paste from my video. Once you have entered this code, click on Join. And there you go, it will say this thing. Click on Accept Invite. And there you go, you have joined Breezer Western Discord. So this is simply how you can join Breezer Western Discord on a device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.